Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use sea moss for weight loss. Sea moss is a fantastic superfood, packed with 92 essential minerals your body needs for optimal function. Its rich fiber content helps you feel full longer, naturally reducing your calorie intake. Plus, it can give your metabolism a gentle boost and support healthy thyroid function, both crucial for managing your weight effectively. Let's dive into how you can easily incorporate this amazing ingredient into your daily routine. Making your own sea moss gel is incredibly simple. First, take about 1 cup of dried sea moss and rinse it thoroughly under fresh, cool water to remove any debris. Next, soak the clean sea moss in 4 cups of filtered water for at least 12 hours, allowing it to rehydrate and expand. Finally, blend the soaked sea moss with 1 cup of fresh water until you achieve a smooth, consistent gel. Store this versatile gel in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. Incorporating sea moss gel into your daily diet is super easy and delicious. A popular method is to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the gel to your morning smoothie, giving it a creamy texture and a nutritional punch. You can also stir it into warm soups, hearty stews, or even your morning oatmeal. It works wonderfully as a natural thickening agent in sauces and salad dressings too. Consistency is key, so aim to consume it daily for the best results. To truly maximize your weight loss journey with sea moss, remember to drink plenty of water throughout your day to stay well hydrated. For optimal results, combine your sea moss intake with a balanced, nutritious diet and regular physical activity. Always consider consulting a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions. Beyond weight management, you'll also enjoy many other incredible health benefits from this powerful ocean superfood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.